everyone, welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore BasTea Kafé and Korean Mart. It was a beautiful establishment located at Mabilog, Pando, Concepcion, Tarlac. This place offers car washing also. Me and my friends going to explore this place. We are going to taste the food and drinks over there. We are so excited. This establishment opened 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the evening. In this establishment, the service options are delivery, drive-through, takeout, and dine-in. This place organized and maintained very well. It's a beautiful second floor. How beautiful it is. Look at that. Seriously awesome. That is Mount Aurora. Looks so beautiful from here. You can enjoy your food and drinks with a nice scenic view. We have a chance to meet the owner right now. She's the one have the idea about opening this shop. At the same time, all the milk tea, everything, her recipe. She's a very sweet person. This is
blue lemonade.
This is blue lemonade.
This is our refreshers.
Refresher. So that one is like a
Mixed berries.
mixed berries. Okay.
And this one is the lychee.
Lychee. So this is lychee. Looks fantastic. We are going to try later. So what is that?
Clubhouse.
Clubhouse sandwich.
Yeah. This banana loaf.
Banana loaf and
Lasagna.
lasagna. Looks very fantastic. I cannot wait. Look at the place, huh? Beautiful place. Nice place to relax and have your lunch or dinner drinks over here. What are you drinking?
Blue lemonade.
Blue lemonade. How about you?
Lychee.
Lychee? You like it? How about the sweetness? It's fine? It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Mixed berries. I'm going to try this one. Nice. Very good, refreshing. Really like it. I like the jelly also with the lemon twist and mint leaf. Very refreshing. Oh my god, a loser! I haven't even pressed the recording button. I haven't even pressed the recording button over here.
So right now we are doing the project from Robinson,
Okay.
Galleria in Manila.
That's fantastic.
For the coming summer.
So you have a separate project going on other than this place.
Yeah. And this one, I have my tattoo shop here.
Oh, you have a tattoo shop also.
Yeah, I'm a tattoo artist also.
Wow, you have a many talented
Fiberglass.
fiberglass work.
Fiberglass,
Okay.
Yeah,
And this engineer work done by you all?
yeah, just me.
Yeah.
Another business.
So this is your hometown.
This is not my wife hometown. My
Your wife
hometown is
hometown.
in Tarlac. Tarlac
Okay.
City.
Tarlac City,
Yeah.
just neighbors.
Yeah.
So from the road to that shop, your place?
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice. Very good. Who gave you the idea to open this kind of coffee shop?
My wife.
Your wife?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's going to be fine. Hello, how are you?
That's our father.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
You from
I'm from India.
India?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I
I
just
have a
came.
lot of friends in Saipan.
Wow.
India. Yeah, mostly
That's
India.
cool.
Yeah.
Ako pala.
Nalugi yung mga
You want to try the sandwich?
You.
Half. How about that?
Okay.
You take half, I take half. Yeah,
Mm.
this one, try.
You.
And then I'll take next one. You straight away went to the brownie. I can't even believe this thing.
Brownie.
Ah, see, don't want to take it.
Kunin mo yung isa. Ay, kung nga gusto ko eh. Ala. Why are you?
Okay, cheers.
Ang lasa Delicious. Brownies.
It's brownie?
Eat.
I don't care.
Huh? You eat again there?
I don't spicy po.
Nalugi.
What is that?
Wait, let me think. Let me think.
You think. What happened to you?
Nalugi.
What is that? English.
It's unfair to them.
Unfair to
Because
them?
we eat here too much.
So?
But
Okay, let's do the bike wash. Very long overdue. It needs some love. So let's show some love. 5 pesos. Water. Ready? Now, water first. Yeah, that is a 5 minutes for 5 pesos. Now the water is finished. We are going to do some shampoo. Before you put the money, you hold the hose first in your hand. That is very, very important. Yeah, baby. Shampoo everywhere. Shampoo. Yes. Throw some love over there. Now it's completely shampooed. I'm going to clean it first before the water. Yeah? You can. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. That's it. So it is that much easy. Only need 15 pesos to clean your motorbike. Looks fantastic.